Hello everyone, this is Prodigious TCC, that is Prodigious the Trading Card Collector, and as you can tell we're opening some Xros Encounter packs. So I got 3 Xros Encounter packs at the local Walmart. They were more expensive than they should have been, but this is the only place I've found Digimon cards, and it was by an off chance. Everything else was cleaned out. No Pokemon cards, no Magic cards, no Yu-Gi-Oh cards, nothing. This was the only thing. It was just this box, and everything else was empty on the shelves. So, I mean, they had a bunch of sports cards. Baseball, I think it was actually just all baseball cards. Anyways, opening up this Xros Encounter, and we are looking for Sakuyamon Maid Mode alternate art is our chase card. It is worth $47.13 American. So we'll just open this up. Actually, I'll just pull all these out right now. All right, so here we go. We got 3 packs. Okay, I'll start with this guy, I guess. Okay, that pulled poorly, so that means there's gonna be nothing in this pack. I'll tell you that right now. A poor pull on the card or on the pack means nothing inside. We've got, you know what? I'm going to zoom in a bit. There we go. Okay, so we've got a Gamamon, Shortmon, Burning Star Crusher, Cyberdramon, Soundbirdmon, Dracmon. Get some extra light in here for these bad boys. A Sandiramon, Skull Baluchimon, a Reinforcement Plug-in 0, a Bozamon, a Justimon Critical Arm, and a Lamortmon. So, we are looking at Justimon Critical Arm is... I want to sort by name. Justimon Critical Arm is worth 13 cents. And then Lamortmon is worth 12 cents. So basically around the same amount. Which is wild because, like... And this guy looks so much cooler. This guy looks so much cooler than this guy. Alright, on to the next pack. An easy rip means good cards. There's an adequate rip. So we're looking for some adequate cards in here. So we got Sunflowmon, whatever you want to pronounce it. Gazimon, Gaussmon, Wedinmon, Golmon, Mushroomon, Bulukomon, Palmon, Shoutmon, Decardramon, Sanzomon, which is our rare, and then a Kiriha Aonuma for a second rare. So Sanzomon is, actually I can find Kiriha Aonuma is 28 cents, and then Senzomon is 13 cents. All right. Last pack. Hoping for some last pack magic. Ooh, poor pull, poor cards. All right. Well, we know how this is going. Poor pull, poor cards. It is what it is. Pion Dump. Then we've got a Tinkermon. Oh, that's a dope looking card. Regalekismon. A Balmon. A Kukuamon. A Tactamon. That's a cool looking card as well. That's dope. Oop. That's so cool looking. That Tactomon, that's awesome. A Cubimon, Taumon, yeah. Death, the Cannon, Bebidomon, and we got for our rare, we got Gulas Gemamon, and we've got a secret rare, Dark Nightmon X Antibody. So, Gulasmon is Gulas Gemamon is 20 cents. Dark Nightmon X Antibody is Dark Nightmon X Antibody. Guessing this is not the alt art, so this is $1.36. Yes, $1.36, which is not bad. The alt art looks amazing. Yeah, so I mean, at least we pulled a secret rare out of those 3 packs. That's not bad. Could be a lot worse. Could have only got rares. Could have been a lot better. Could have got some alt arts in here, but I mean, look at it. Like, this card is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. God, these cards look so good all the time. Like, they're just so amazing. Fantastic. All right, well, I have been Prodigious TCC. That is Prodigious, the trading card collector. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, share, whatever you want to do really is appreciated. Follow me on my socials, Prodigious TCC. They are linked below. All the same name. I've got Twitter, I've got TikTok, and I've got Instagram. But thank you guys for watching, and until I see you next time, have a fantastic day.